December the 11th, 2016, a day China had been waiting for 15 years. When China joined the World Trade Organization in 2001, it did so under certain conditions, that other members could treat it as a non-market economy and apply anti-dumping tariffs on artificially cheap Chinese goods, mainly steel. But after 15 years, China is now eligible to be recognized as a market economy.
Automatically, as from 11 December, China would be entitled to claim that the domestic costs and prices of its exporting producers be used in order to calculate the dumping margin.
Before the expiration, the US, Japan and the European Union all maintained that they did not recognize China's market economy status, claiming that state-owned enterprises created unfair advantages for Chinese companies. For EU officials in Brussels, the expiration changes nothing. The EU does have a new proposal in the works to create a new trade defence system against imports from third countries. But what about the US? It will depend on the new president.
The big game changer in the world economy today is actually the election of Donald Trump. And what we are expecting in front of us for the coming 4 years is probably an environment which is less about global rulemaking, less about WTO, but more about bilateral engagement on a purely transactional basis.
It's unclear what will come next. The EU says that it will do everything in its power to protect itself and its industries from dumping. Mariam Zaidi, CCTV, Brussels.